नमस्कार दोस्तों आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट की एक जजमेंट की जिसमें दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट ने एंटिसिपेटरी बेल को डिसमिस कर दिया। तो हम देखते हैं कि व्हाट आर द फैक्ट्स ऑफ द केस। सो ब्रीफ फैक्ट्स ऑफ द केस आर दैट ऑन 31/12/2024 a PCR call was received by GD number यानी जनरल डायरी नंबर 3A reporting major quarrel where a vehicle was being vandalized and attempt was made to set it on fire। यानी एक गाड़ी को जलाने की कोशिश की गई और उसको तोड़ने की कोशिश की गई। Upon receiving the call, police team has reached the spot and found the damaged Baleno car bearing number this। During the inquiry, it was learned that an injured person has already been shifted to एम्स ट्रॉमा सेंटर। राइट, एम्स में उस जो इंजर्ड था उसको भर्ती करा दिया गया है। देन पुलिस कलेक्टेड द MLC ऑफ इंजर्ड एंड आइडेंटिफाइड हिम एज राजू @दिल्ली। द डॉक्टर हैड noted a gunshot injury, mentioning an entry wound at mandibular region and an exit wound on the right side of the neck। यानी कि डॉक्टर ने नोटिस करी है गनशॉट इंजरी। द इंजर्ड वॉज डिक्लेयर्ड अनफिट फॉर मेकिंग अ स्टेटमेंट। क्राइम टीम हैज इंस्पेक्टेड द क्राइम सीन एंड हैड फाउंड 3 empty cartridges and blood stains at the spot। Now what then happened? So during investigation it has came out that CCTV footage of scene was collected and inspected which showed some individual firing firearms। Later, after receiving the treatment, injured gave his statement revealing that incident has taken place during a birthday celebration of his friend Rahul। Several individuals including Nitesh, Rahul, Nadibul, Monu, Cheni, Sohail were present at the party। During the celebration, Rahul had stated that he would call his friends who had firearms to intimidate the locality। यानी मोहल्ले में दहशत बनाने के लिए उन लोगों ने बंदूक मंगाई। Subsequently, Rahul had called Ajay, Naveen, Ansh Gujar and Anshu Solanki to the spot। They had arrived in 2 vehicles, Hyundai Verna and Maruti Suzuki Baleno, and started firing in the air। फिर इन्होंने हवा में गोली चलानी शुरू कर दी। When the injured Raju had tried to stop them, the accused have become aggressive and attacked him। उन्होंने जब उसको रोकने की कोशिश करी तो उसने उस पर हमला कर दिया। On Rahul's instigation, Ajay had climbed onto the Maruti Baleno car, taken out a firearm and shot at Raju, injuring him at near neck। After the incident, accused person fled and their residence were found vacant। With the help of technical surveillance and a secret informer, police have arrested Naveen on 3/1/2025, Nitesh Mathur on 4, and Mohit Anshu Solanki were arrested on 5th of January, who disclosed that hideout of Ansh Gujar। Based on information, Abhishek Verma, Ansh Gujar are arrested from Amritsar, Punjab। His custody was taken to trace out the co-accused and recover the firearm। It is argued on behalf of appellant Rahul that he was merely celebrating his birthday when the incident took place and no direct role in firing has that resulted in injuries। It is contended by the learned counsel that bullet which struck the injured was fired by co-accused Ajay and no specific allegation has been made against the applicant regarding the act of firing। It is submitted that since applicant has not been attributed any overt act in causing harm to the injured, he deserves the relief of anticipatory bail and is willing to cooperate with the investigation agency। तो अब उसके काउंसिल यानी ये डिफेंस लेते हैं कि ये व्यक्ति तो सिर्फ अपना बर्थडे मना रहा था और उसके अगेंस्ट कोई स्पेसिफिक एलिगेशन नहीं है। इसीलिए उसको एंटिसिपेटरी बेल दी जानी चाहिए और ही इज रेडी टू कॉपरेट इन द इन्वेस्टिगेशन. नाउ द बेल इज अपोज्ड बाय द स्टेट. Bail is opposed by the state on ground that applicant is prime accused in the heinous offence involving in attempt to murder. It is contended that investigation still has nascent stage and the applicant release at this juncture may hamper the ongoing proceeding. It is also stated that applicant has a history of criminal involvement. यानी उसकी previous involvement है, which strengthens the apprehension that he may not cooperate with the investigation. It is further argued that the nature and gravity of offence where the applicant has allegedly instigated and facilitated an armed attack make him undeserving of anticipatory bail. तो ये मोटे मोटे ग्राउंड्स हैं कोर्ट में जिसमें पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर ने बेल को अपोज किया कि इस आदमी की प्रीवियस हिस्ट्री है और देयर इज likelihood that he would not cooperate with the investigation agency because उसकी हिस्ट्री है और ट्रायल की स्टेज अभी बिल्कुल शुरुआती स्टेज पे है, तो it would not be in interest of justice. Now let us see what the court observes. This court's note that role of present applicant Rahul in the case is central and premeditated, as he has allegedly actively instigated and facilitated the commission of offence in the crime in question. It has come on record that during birthday celebration, Rahul had openly declared his intention to call individual possessing firearm to intimidate the resident of locality. True to his words, he called Ajay, Naveen, Ansh Gujar and Anshu Solanki, who had subsequently arrived at the scene आर्म्ड विद वेपन्स. तो कोर्ट कहता है कि इसने इन लोगों को बुलाया था, इस जो एप्लीकेंट है, ताकि वो मोहल्ले में दहशत बना सके, लोकेलिटी में दहशत बना सके, क्योंकि इन लोगों के पास आर्म थे और इन लोगों ने हवा में गोलियां चलाई. द CCTV फुटेज corroborates these individuals have brandished firearm and indiscriminately fire in the air to create an atmosphere of fear and lawlessness. When the injured Raju had resisted and objected to their action, the applicant herein have further instigated the accused persons, leading to physical altercation. तो इन्होंने इस वजह से इस राजू को गोली मार दी. It was on applicant's provocation that Ajay has climbed onto vehicle and fired at Raju, causing him grievous gunshot injury near the neck. Thus, the prima facie, it appears that applicant was not merely present at the scene but also the catalyst behind the unlawful assembly, introduction of firearm, and eventual attempt of Raju's life. Moreover, the conduct of applicant is deliberately calling individual armed with firearms to public gathering with an express to intent to instill fear in society adds to the gravity and seriousness of offence. As summed up by Honorable Supreme Court in this case, the factor to be considered at the stage of pre-arrest bail, prima facie case against accused, nature offence and severity of offence. So ये तीनों फैक्टर कोर्ट कहता है कि ये तो एक्यूज के अगेंस्ट है. Hence his bail application is dismissed. The allegation against applicant are serious and grave in nature. He has not yet joined the investigation. In the given set of facts, his custodial interrogation will also be necessary. Right. Therefore, considering the overall facts and circumstances of the case, this court finds no grounds to grant anticipatory bail to the applicant and his bail application is dismissed. So, इन राउंड पे कोर्ट ने उसकी बेल डिसमिस कर दी. तो आपको क्या लगता है दोस्तों कि क्या ये कोर्ट की ऑब्जर्वेशन ठीक थी? आप अपनी ओपिनियन कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइएगा. देखने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.